Hi patrons, showing you installation of a rider backrest on a stock seat. Basically the backrest comes with the main mounting plate, which is this plate, which is well crafted to suit the angles of Super Meteor here. So all you need to do is, here in my bike I have a mounting plate over here. You will not have that, but you will still have a bolt over here, right? So you have to mount one bolt, one part of this backrest. There is a hole over here which gets mounted on the stock shocker bolt. You can just open the nut and place it. There is enough, you will still have enough threads on the bolt, so no need to replace the bolt. However, here we will be giving you this nut with this bolt with washer and a spacer. In case you have this plate, you don't need to add the spacer. In case you have if you don't have the plate, please add a spacer, right? Even with the plate, I would suggest please put one washer, what we send between this plate and this plate, so that when you're doing finer adjustment, you don't damage either of the plates, right? And here there is a spacer here that comes with this big plate, but if you if you don't have this plate, we will give you that spacer. Once you have mounted this, keep this back bolt slightly loose. You can tighten the front bolt. Keep this bolt slightly loose. Torque this in the end once you find your best riding position, and then you can mount this part on top. So these are just mushroom heads M6 bolts, which can be loosened to move this front and back, and rest of the assembly is sent to you like this, right? In terms of adjustment of the height, you see there is a groove over here, right? This groove can be adjusted from this side. Once you open the back pad backside, you can loosen this and move your backrest down or up. So that's the way you can adjust the backrest. Thank you. Or install it.